Hello, everyone. My name is Linda Cafe, and I'd like to welcome everyone back from the holidays and the break. I am presently continuing my field internship at a Christian-based drug and alcohol rescue mission center for women and children in the Harrisburg area of Pennsylvania. Um, One thing that I particularly enjoy about this field placement is the diversity of the client population. There are women there ranging in age from 18 to 60. They're from all different backgrounds, ethnic groups and cultures. And I find that fascinating, the similarities as well as learning about some of the differences. Um, One of the challenges that I have faced while doing this internship has been knowing how to appropriately and professionally deal with staff members that have been unprofessional in talking to me, trying to engage me in negative gossip and rumors about their colleagues and peers. I really struggled with that during the initial part of my internship at this agency. And those, as a result of certain staff members coming to me trying to draw me into this negative activities, talking about their staff members and peers, I've felt very frustrated, overwhelmed, and somewhat lost. So that has been very challenging for me. One thing that I've learned about myself during this internship is that as I've grown up to become a caretaker, I struggle with learning how to set appropriate boundaries. Um, I've been a caretaker for most of my life, and that being the case, I struggle in the area of learning and knowing where others end and where I begin, or where I begin and others end. So I tend to overcompensate and take on too much. And it is my hope that going forward at this time in my field placement, I'll be able to learn more about myself and be able to begin learning to set appropriate boundaries. It's a pleasure being back amongst you guys, and I look forward to working with you all and responding to you all, as I hope you will respond to me as we go forward on our journeys. Thank you. Bye.